Everyone, welcome to Imperial Garden single cup break number 1110, 14-15 Upper Deck of the Cup. Last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on July 3rd at 8:09 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current day and time is currently Monday, July 4th at 12:16 a.m. Eastern Time. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate it. You can check out there and scroll down to see everything what's in the queue. Here we do have another SPA 12 box break with a auto UDA hat to give away. And we are live on Breakers here to do our breaks as per normal. And 1110. This is box number 2 of 6 from our case. So for anybody that didn't follow, I guess the first box, which I should just go open a few minutes ago, post break 1109 below, where it was the first box out of the case. We'll bring this over here. The serial number. So this was box 2 of 6 from the case, and that was 0869. And obviously, I'll show you the seal. The rest of the shrink wrap on the tin. And just the rest of the shrink wrap. Sure, there's nothing funky going on with it. And here we go. So 0869. So we got box number 3 of 6 from the case tomorrow. And I think we got 6 box SPA ending tomorrow night too, for anybody else that may be interested. And I think we got triple game use coming up soon again, so we got a little bit of that going. And aside from that, I think that's really all that we got kind of scheduled in the queue there. Okay, so here we go, everyone. On to break 1110. So we started off with a Simon Varlamov 241 of 249 going out to Colorado. Simon Varlamov. And our next one is a 2-color 3-break auto rookie patch for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Kirby Reichel, 171, 249. Going to Columbus. And we have a dual signature patches going out to the San Jose Sharks of Joe Pavelski and Tomas Hertl, 15 of 35. Not a bad patch on Pavelski there too. I couldn't get a little bit more of the emblem. Nice hit nonetheless. And a enshrinements autograph going out to the Pittsburgh Penguins, 88 of 99. Tom Barrasso. Tom Barrasso, 88 of 99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And a gold patch of Henrik Zetterberg, number 2 of 10 for the Detroit Red Wings. Henrik Zetterberg, number 2 of 10. Apparently this might be real gold that they use for that bordering. And not a bad one here. We have a autograph rookie masterpiece print plate for the Edmonton Oilers of Leon Draisaitl. Leon Draisaitl, autograph rookie masterpiece from Trilogy. That is uncommon. I don't even know which. I think that might be the level 2 one. It is the cyan color print plate. So there we have it, guys. So not a bad tin. Obviously, definitely could be better, but nice Draisaitl to finish it up nonetheless. So we got box 3 tomorrow. I think we got 6 box SPA tomorrow. And triple game use possibly ending tomorrow or the day after.